Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the front and back cameras on the Samsung Galaxy A12 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and then take out the SIM tray and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charger port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the car pry tool and gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Be gentle when taking out the back cover. The fingerprint sensor is attached to the back cover. Next, take out the logic board cover by undoing 6 screws. And then disconnect the battery plug and followed by the fingerprint connector. Now the back cover unit can leave from the body. Next, disconnect and take out the front camera. If the front camera has broken, replace it with a new unit and then start closing the device. Next, disconnect and take out the macro and depth cameras from the front side of the logic board. To take out the other 2 cameras, it needs to take out the logic board. First, disconnect the main ribbon connector, and then the antenna head, and then undo the screw on the logic board. Next, take out the logic board using a tweezer or pry tool, and then on the rear side of the logic board, disconnect and take out the primary and ultrawide cameras from the board. Next, replace the required broken rear camera and place it on the logic board. First, place the primary camera and then the ultrawide cameras on the board. Next, secure the logic board in the body by inserting the screw. Next, place and secure the macro and depth cameras into the logic board. Next, place the new front camera. And then fasten the main ribbon flex and antenna head into the logic board. Next, connect the battery and fingerprint plugs into the board. And then secure the logic board by adding 5 screws. Finally, snap in the back cover and run through the sides to secure the clips. And also do not forget to add the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.